What is bodily kinesthetic intelligence, and why should I know about this? I want to explore with you in this video the bodily kinesthetic type of intelligence, if that is your dominant type from taking the personality tests on this channel. Together, we will dive into the tools, methods, and learning strategies you can use to cultivate your innate talents. Whether you're someone who excels in physical activities, enjoys working with your hands, or finds meaning in movement, enhancing these abilities can open up new opportunities and allow you to work more effectively with your natural gifts. Intelligence description. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence involves the ability to control bodily movements and handle objects skillfully. It includes physical coordination, dexterity, and the ability to express oneself or solve problems through physical activity. Typical roles, preferences, and potential. Roles: athletes, dancers, physical therapists, actors, surgeons, craftspeople, carpenters, firefighters, mechanics, personal trainers, choreographers. Preferences: engaging in activities that involve physical movement, hands-on tasks, or activities that require coordination and dexterity. Innate talent: related tasks and activities, physical performance. Engage in sports, dance, or other physical activities that require coordination, agility, and strength. Craftsmanship: work with tools, materials, or machinery to create, repair, or build objects with precision and care. Acting and drama: use body language, movement, and gestures to convey emotions, tell stories, or bring characters to life on stage or screen. Hands-on learning: learn new skills through hands-on practice, whether in a workshop, lab, or real-world environment. Physical problem solving: use your physical abilities to solve practical problems, such as navigating complex terrains, performing surgeries, or repairing machinery. To cultivate your bodily kinesthetic intelligence, you can engage in activities like playing sports, practicing dance, or taking on hands-on projects that challenge your coordination and dexterity. You might enjoy working with your hands, whether in crafting, construction, or even cooking, where you can see the tangible results of your efforts. By consistently practicing these skills, you can enhance your ability to move with precision, work with objects, and express yourself physically. In this video, I'll guide you through specific exercises and techniques to help you refine your bodily kinesthetic skills. We'll explore how to improve your coordination, develop your physical endurance, and use your body to solve problems and create meaningful work. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of your bodily kinesthetic abilities. As someone with dominant bodily kinesthetic intelligence, you should try to engage in activities that align with your strengths. Challenge yourself with new physical activities, take on projects that require fine motor skills, and explore ways to express yourself through movement. Joining sports teams, dance classes, or workshops can help you refine your skills and connect with others who share your passion for physical activity. Modern ways to enhance bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Utilize modern tools like fitness trackers and wearable technology to monitor your physical performance and set goals for improvement. Engage with online platforms like YouTube or TikTok to share your physical skills, whether through dance routines, workout videos, or DIY projects. Participate in virtual reality, VR, games, or simulations that require physical interaction, offering a new way to challenge and develop your coordination and reflexes. Additionally, apps like Peloton or Masterclass can provide guided workouts or lessons in physical skills, helping you to refine your abilities and stay motivated. Enhancing intelligence through different roles. Athletes and dancers: use wearable technology and performance analytics to track and improve your physical abilities, while sharing your routines and achievements on social media to inspire and connect with others. Physical therapists and personal trainers leverage telehealth platforms and fitness apps to offer virtual sessions, helping clients improve their physical health and coordination from anywhere in the world. Craftspeople and carpenters utilize digital design tools like CAD software to plan and visualize projects before bringing them to life through hands-on craftsmanship. Actors and performers engage with online platforms to showcase your talents, participate in virtual performances, or create digital content that highlights your physical expression and storytelling abilities. Surgeons and mechanics Take advantage of simulation technologies to practice and refine complex procedures or repairs, ensuring precision and skill in high-stakes environments. By embracing these roles and using modern tools and techniques, you can continually develop your bodily kinesthetic intelligence, ensuring that your physical skills remain sharp, relevant, and impactful in today's world. Find out more about your dominant type of intelligence by downloading the Excel worksheets within the Personality Assessment podcasts on this channel, and leave your comment about what you found out for yourself. I would love it if you share this with your friends and family, and make this journey an interesting, explorative one.